One thing the trail edge is good for.
Getting a nice POV shot over here of Zach jacking off. Oh. Alright, so Zach, explain to the camera what you're doing today.
So, I got new tires all around.
Yeah, dude, Zach also got new tires. We're all tired up.
I just gotta lower the back because it's too high.
Yeah.
Too
Zach's
high.
a hot boy, just like myself.
I can't go that low yet on these freaking max speeding rods, but real hot girls, you know.
True that, OG. But yeah, while Zach's doing that though, me and Chris over here are gonna mount my new hood up because this gray hood has got to go. It's gonna look so much better with the correct colors on here. The only problem is every time you latch this hood down, you have to strap it down. In order to strap it down, you have to get your hands in here and get that hook off. And it's the hardest thing in the world, but we'll make it work. But yeah, just gotta take that off. Also, look how good this bumper looks. Oh, the bumper looks so good too. I need new headlights. Oh, I need so much stuff for this car, but it's gonna look amazing. Literally all we have to do is 4 quick bolts. Take this one off. Take the other one, put it on. But the problem... Well, I'll tell you the problem once we actually run into it. But the problem is... There's a problem. There's a problem. Let's just say that. So the hood is off. And now the hood, new hood, which looks amazing. Look at this hood, guys. Oh, looks great. Only problem is the other one was bolts, so like they just bolted onto the hood. This one already has bolts in it, and so they have nuts that go on the other side. I'll show you what I'm talking about. So like, right there. So if you guys can see, there's like little bolts hanging through, so we need 4 nuts. We got 3. Chris is looking for another one. You get it?
6, you know Eric went to Tommy FDS shop to get zinc-plated bolts?
But yeah, and then we can mount it up and get her on there. So we got the new hood mounted on, but there's a bit of a problem, if you guys can tell. This is the mounting mechanism. Here's the latch, and here's a safety catch, like home. And here's the mounting mechanism. Here's the safety catch on this side, and here's the latch on this side. It's backwards. It's supposed to be that way. The latch is supposed to be over here.
Maybe you put this on backwards.
There's no way
Didn't you put this on new?
No,
Didn't you put a whole new radiator support in?
Well, yeah, but that's definitely not on backwards.
Are you sure?
I'm positive.
Are you sure?
There's no way it could, because look at.
Are you sure, Mark? Did you buy this latch now?
No, it's no lie.
Sure.
I'm positive. So we're trying to figure out, I think if we cut this off and pull this down, we might be able to get at it.
And then to put it back together, no clue. Unless you could buy the JD Weld fiberglass or the Bondo fiberglass stuff.
I have no idea, guys, but gotta have to figure it out.
There we go. Ugh. Smells like asshole.
Dude, Chris is gonna be coughing up blood by the end of this. Alright guys, so update what we're doing now. Cutting out the latch. Oh my god, it smells.
And now, oh. There's no mask in here? You don't have a mask in your car?
Update the vlog. What happened?
So this car's a hoopty from factory.
No, this hood is a hoopty from factory. So the problem that what the hell?
He's so sus.
That was the most sus thing.
What happened?
You just threw it back on me. Anyway,
show the footage.
So we cut this out so we could get this out and flip it around, which did work. But now the only problem is.
Mark, look at it.
Oh, I missed it. Was he giving you a lap dance? You're a sussy baka. Oh, hey, I'm gonna get demonetized. You're a sussy baka over here. Look at this guy.
Wait, you ready?
Watch out, watch out, watch out. Alright, so now what happened was we took this out, took it out, flipped it around, so now it will sit right. But the problem is, how are we gonna put it back in without it just falling out? And my thought process is if I can bolt it back on this side, that, those holes, all 4 of them, it'll just hold this down, it won't go anywhere because the bolts will be here. So the only way that this will fly up is if the bolts break, which will never happen. So that's what I'm gonna hope will happen. Right, Chris? Right, Chris?
Yeah.
But yeah. So now we just gotta find enough 4 bolts for these spots right here, so that I can hold this down in place so this isn't rattling around and causes my hood to fly up.
Kidnap some kids.
All right, boys. So a little bit of an update. We have to go get some hardware, yeah, to fit this puppy, so that we can bolt it in. And we got Zach in the passenger, Zach riding shoddy, me in the and then we got Chris is chilling in the back. By the way, we're in Mexico right now, because that's illegal in the United States.
We're in the United Kingdom right now.
Also, I hate driving with my headlights on, so it's that's so sketchy. You're always gonna say. But all right, I'll update you guys when we get done. Guys, look, we just showed up to the Walmart, and Eric Food is here. Why is Eric Food doing here? Hey. Huh?
We need the thing.
Oh. All right, so we got the old rivets off of it. This is what we did. So we got it sitting in there. Gotta obviously line up these holes with the correct area. And then we got a rivet weaponry.
We're trying to figure out
I have no idea how to use a rivet.
We're gonna test it.
Oh yeah, we definitely have to. What are you doing? I just don't know what you're doing.
Oh. This one out, putting it in.
Oh.
Make sure that's a great size one.
There we go. Like that. Okay.
We'll test it.
Is there a hole or something?
Just test it in like a box.
No, it has to be a hole. So, oh wait. Oh yeah, it's doing it.
I know it's snap it off.
You almost.
Yeah. Oh wait. You take this back. I didn't even see this thing was
Oh,
here.
there's a tool.
Yeah. Alright, where's your? Hold up.
Dude, you know how to do it.
Well, anyway, we're trying to figure out how to use this rivet weapon, and then we're gonna latch it into here. No, not yet. We have to figure out how to do it first.
I know how to do it.
Got it.
Are you sure, dude? That looks like it's already used.
Idiot.
Oh shit! I forgot I tried it.
You dummy.
You big dummy. Alright. Then after that, all you have to do is line up the hood with the lines on the car, make sure it looks nice. These
It's all
mount.
lined up because you sticker in the hole, bud. But do this side first because these are perfectly lined
And
up.
then line it up with that, and it'll all fit nicely. But now I can also take these off.
You should do it.
Alright, and last but not least, Chris has put in the last rivet. Oh! Then that, look, feel how sturdy this is, boys.
Yeah, dude, feel it through the camera.
Feel it through the camera, guys. Feel it with me. I ain't moving anywhere. Cut dead. Oh, POV, ASMR. Nice.
Alright, let's
Alright,
just
so-
see something.
Okay, Zach is gonna see something.
Does your hood cable thing work? The inside the car?
Yeah. Well, it's still, I mean, it's gonna latch now, yeah, but we gotta make sure this part is like, this is
we're
so,
gonna line it up
yeah,
and everything.
but it's gonna do good. I know, I finally got myself a working hood. No, it's definitely not, because you can tell on this side. It's like literally touching the fender in this.
Yeah, it's gotta go over the car.
Stand right here and look at the car.
Oh!
Actually, I said that word.
Dude, that looks so good. Oh my god, that looks amazing. That looks 10 times better. I think I just fell in love, guys. This is my first love. We're getting married tomorrow. If you guys want to come to the wedding, you're not invited. Dude, that's awesome. That looks so good. Woo! In person, it looks like 10 times better than on the camera. But guys, you guys don't understand. This thing looks amazing. Alrighty, guys. So she is vibing on Vivans. Oh my god, it looks so much better with the matching hood. That looks 10 times better. And the wheels, oh, the wheels are so beautiful. Those wheels are so beautiful. Still gotta lower her a little bit more, but she's looking great.
That's him. That's
Oh
him.
my god, that's so cool.
Go through hand.
Yeah.
Guys, I'm so happy. Look at that car, dude.
You gotta paint the bumper.
Yeah, paint match bumper would go sicko mode. Holy mackerel.
Black hood.
Damn! That looks amazing, guys. That looks amazing. Wow. Wow. We are officially thugged out.
Thugged out.
Fuck it, ain't got much to say. Guys, I'm super happy. Today was a big day. All we have to do now is torque down the wheels and she's golden. But yeah, all we have to do, this is awesome. I don't know, I'm a sketchy boy, you know, I'm always skeptical about things. And so since that strap is still on there, would it really hurt to strap down my hood again? Probably not gonna do it though, because I gotta grow out of my old ways. That won't flop up. There's no way. It's got a safety catch. It's latched on there. It's riveted in. And now that's been sitting for a while, it doesn't. Oh, I mean, it still kind of does. That's gonna happen anyway.
Does it too?
Yeah.
I think.
Golly, boys, that looks amazing. Oh wow, Zach does it cray cray. Zach does it sicko mode. But yeah, oh my god, she's thick in the back now. Holy moly, look at those meats.
Holy mackerel.
Look at those meats. Oh my god. Alright guys, that's the end of this video. Oh my god. New hood on the Z. New wheels on the Z. All thanks to these boys here. So happy. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, like, comment another video you want to see, subscribe for more.
Turn on post notifications.
Comment.
Okay, comment twice. That's Danya. Have a nice night.